monomial. Degree of a monomial is the sum of the exponents of the variables. A constant has a degree of 0. The constant 0 does not have a degree. So we're going to do a couple examples of monomials. Does anybody have a guess as to what a monomial would be? I'm sorry, what's your name? Rajanya?
Yeah.
What would be a guess of a monomial?
What was the question?
Okay, so we're going to try and figure out a couple examples of what a monomial number might look like, or a variable or exponent product. Do you have any guesses?
P to the power 3.
What?
P to the power 3.
3 to the...
P to the power 3.
Say it slower, Rajanya.
P to the power 3.
Power of 3, got it, okay. P to the power of 3, yes, that's good, because it's one term, right? What is another example of a monomial? Can I have somebody else in the class?
I think so.
3/8? Yeah. It's not what she was telling you to say, but I mean 3/8 is a monomial. Well, I'm going to say 1 now because I can. Maybe 3x. 3x. Yes, perfect. All right. So some examples of monomials would be like 1 over x, because that isn't it's not in one term, so it's like a negative exponent. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So we have 1 over x, that's not 1. There's 3 plus x, because that's 2 terms. That's an example of a monomial. All right, so we're going to find, over here on the right side, we're going to find the degree of a monomial. Can someone read me the definition of the degree of a monomial? We wrote it up there in the second line. I don't know anybody's names. Wes? Is that your name? Yeah. That's the one name I know.
How?
You don't ever stop talking.
I'm dying.
The degree of a monomial is the sum of the exponents of the variables.
That's perfect right there. So it's the sum of the exponents of the variables. So right here in A, we have 4 times p to the 3rd, m to the 5th. So since we have 2 variables, but they're being multiplied by each other, we're going to add the exponents. So the degree of that would be 8. Does everybody see that?
Yeah. Yes.
Can you guys see the notes?
Button. Right, yep, push that. That'll focus a little bit for you.
That helps.
Yeah.
All right, so what's your name? Your name? Nina? Can you give me what the degree of part B would be? 1? Yeah, it's 1 because you see there's a 1 attached to this B here. So then the degree of it is 1.
This is Becca.
Becca, can you give me C?
4.
Okay, so does anybody else think that it's 4? You see? Okay, so it's not raised to 0. Since there's no exponent there, the degree of it is going to be 0. Because you don't have a variable attached with it, right? Okay, and